हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। सो आज का दिन बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है फ्रेंड्स। क्यों? क्योंकि आज का दिन मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ कि कैसे आप किसी का भी झूठ 2 मिनट में पकड़ सकते हो। हाउ कैन यू टेल समवंस लाई विद इन 2 minutes बाय लुकिंग एट हिज और हर आईज? Can you know? Means, are you able to find it out? Means, how can you find someone else's going inside their mind? How can you find it out? What is going on inside his or her mind? What is going on means, is he telling lie? Is he telling truth? Means everything is going on in our mind, whether he is telling truth or whether he is not telling truth. So watch this video completely. I will explain you how can you understand the other person's mindset, and you will get to know whether he is telling a lie or is not telling a lie. Means he is telling truth. What can you see in that other person's eyes? Okay, so see, whenever you are talking with a person, whenever you are asking questions which are based on creativity, okay, anything can be thought of which are creative enough. Okay, there are two types of questions which you can ask. The one which is based on reality and the other which is based on creativity. Okay, these two are entirely different aspect, and for controlling these two, our mind works in two different scenarios. Okay, so whenever we think about creativity, means something creative means, let's suppose you are imagining something. Means you are with Shah Rukh Khan and you are moving and you are staying in a particular flat with Shah Rukh Khan, let's suppose. So we are just creatively imagining. It's actually not happened. It's actually not happening. Okay, but you are imagining you are with Shah Rukh Khan and you are enjoying 2 days breakfast, lunch, dinner with Shah Rukh Khan. So what happens when you are doing the creative thought process, when you are having creative thought process, what happens in that case? So what happens in that case? Our right brain works perfectly. Our right brain works so sharply that you can imagine in the wildest of your dreams. You can imagine everything, whatever is coming onto your mind. You can be with anybody in your mind. Okay, but the reality may be different. Okay, but in thought, in imagination, you might go and live with anybody. So how this creativity works? Our creativity works in a mind level. Our creativity works in a psychological level, and it is our right brain is totally responsible for thinking creatively. Whatever we are thinking, now friends, all thinking processes, all imaginative processes are occurring on the right side of the brain. And what happens on the left side of the brain, friends? The left side of the brain focuses on what he has memorized from the past experiences. Okay, from if maybe you are 20 years of age, maybe you are 25, maybe 30 years. So till from 0 to 30 years of lifespan, there will be some memory which has been stored in your mind, right? So if you were asked what you did 10 years back, there will be some past memorable experiences. For example, you did something in college, some strange things, that things fit in your mind. If somebody asks you what you did in your college days, what you did in your school days, who were your best friends when you were in your school days and college days, what you will do? You will think, you will try to memorize the incidents where you made new friends, right? So what happened in that case? When you are remembering the memorized thoughts which were happened few years back, 5 or 6 years back, so at that point of time our left brain works. Okay, this is very much important, friend. Both the aspects of the brain, right brain and left brain, works differently. Whenever we are creatively imagining something, like you are moving with someone, or you are just going out with some star celebrities, okay, these all are imagination, these all are creativity. And this creativity, if you are thinking so much creatively day in day out, daily you are thinking something creatively, something imaginative, you are living in an imaginative world, at that cases only your right brain works so much faster than your left brain, that you will always live in a virtual and imaginative world. Okay, but if you are keen to live in a reality, then your left brain will work very fast. Okay, so what happens now, whenever you are looking at someone's eyes, okay, you will get to know whether he is telling a lie or is not telling a lie. Okay, just look at his or her eyes, you will get to know. Whenever the eyelids of a person goes towards left, okay, that means he's trying to remember whatever past memories has been there regarding anything, regarding his college days, regarding his school days, regarding any violent incident happened with him, everything. If he is trying to memorize from his past incidents which happened few years, 10 years, 12 years back, that all things will be stored in the left side of your brain, friends. Okay, and whenever you are trying to creatively imagine something, whenever you are trying to imagine which didn't happen with you till now and may happen in future, I'm not telling it might not happen, but till now didn't happen, means it is not stored in your memory, friends. If it is not stored in your memory, then you are imagining which didn't happen. So if something you are imagining which didn't happen, means you have to create something out of it. It has not been created, you are creating something, right? And whenever you are creating something out of it, it will store in the right part of the brain, right brain. Okay, so if you can imagine anything, if you are creatively imagining anything, then all those creativity, all those new ideas, if you are going for paintings, if you are going for drawings, if you are just drawing a scenic beauty, okay, so all these paintings, sceneries and all these are all not real. It is all came out of the painter's mindset. For example, Taj Mahal was not built before Shah Jahan has made it, but how come it does Taj Mahal went? How come this Taj Mahal has been made so beautiful? It was first came into the right brain, okay, of Shah Jahan. He has made a blueprint of it, and when his architecture has made a blueprint of means the Taj Mahal, okay, at that point of time, what happened? His right brain clicked. Hi, this is looking good. This is more creative. It looks much more creative, and I like to make this type of mahal, okay, for my wife. So for that sake only, that Taj Mahal got built up. Okay, everything, whatever buildings you are seeing, whatever great businesses you are seeing, that were previously been the creativity of someone else's mind. Okay, so everything starts from creativity, and whenever you want to achieve something in reality, you have to believe and you have to be creatively imagine that it is going to happen, if it is going to come true in your life as well. So what can you do in that case? You have to make a short-term and long-term goals for it. Okay, so this is going to a different scenario. Coming to the topic, means if you want to understand whatever someone is telling, it is a lie or it is not a lie, just look at someone else's eyes closely. Okay, don't just deep dive into it, but normally you can just see into her eyes. You will get to know whether she is imagining something which didn't happen to her, or she is memorizing. Okay, if she will memorize, if he or she will memorize, then what will happen? She will blink, she will see to the left part of the eye like this. She will see like this. Okay, and whenever she is trying to creatively discover something which didn't happen with him or her, then they will try to look at the right side of the eye. You will just concentrate on his or her eyes. You will get to know that his eyes is going to the right side, means their right side of the brain is working at that point of time, whenever they are creatively imagining something. And whenever they are memorizing from the past incidents, then they will always see at the left side, means the left brain will work very actively at that point of time. Okay, so it is not a sure short way. I'm not telling it's 100% working, but 90 to 95% of the time it will work, because it is not under our control. Okay, these are not under our control. Your eyes will automatically move, and whether you are knowing or you are not knowing, your eyes will automatically move towards left or towards right. Okay, it is not under your control, but the person whom you are talking to, he or she will recognize whether you are telling a lie or not, if he knows this concept. Okay, so you can if you just implement this process, you can very easily understand whether that person is telling truth or he is telling a lie. Okay, so implement this, friend, and I will see you in the next video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Cheers.